Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a second time here at Mata Tripta Ji Gurdwara Sahib in Plymouth, Michigan. And the main focus of today's talk was all about what you see on the screen here, the design, and on my shirt as well, the need for human kindness. That peace, like the peace sign inside the heart, that's where peace has to truly begin. And it's up to us to go now, not only receive that kindness, but go and give it, right? Be the light to someone else's heart. So this really took it up a level, what we focused on the last time that I came, which was about bullying, but looking at someone's heart first, treating that person, others, just like you treat your own best friend, right? And so we did talk about the need to not only show this human kindness, but a very important word as well, diversity. And focusing on our differences, appreciating and valuing not only what's on the outside, if somebody walks different, talks different, hears different, sees different, learns different, different skin color, dresses different, speaks a different language, whatever it might be that could potentially separate us, we look to have that hopefully unify us and bring us closer together, right? Appreciate our differences on the outside, but also what's on the inside. So our gifts, our talents, our abilities, our skills, what we're good at, the things that we're not good at, all those things are diversity, right? On the inside and the outside, and we have to truly value and appreciate everything, right? And it's so important we show this kindness, because if I do say something kind or have this positive action towards somebody else, it's not just the person that I'm showing that kindness who could potentially be affected. It's anybody else that hears that kind word or sees that kind act. It might actually change their heart for the better too. So we're always trying to show this kindness and show this unconditional love without any conditions, which means that if somebody's taller, shorter, wider, thinner, born different than us, wears glasses or doesn't, is in a wheelchair or not, we can still show love without any conditions. We can always choose love, can always choose kindness, and it's really this one act of kindness at a time that starts to heal this world. So keep showing your hearts, keep showing that love and that kindness that this world desperately needs, right? This need for human kindness. And as we go out into this, into our world and into our communities, we can just continue to uplift others, instead of tear them down, but show them that type of empathy and compassion and respect that all of us deserve as human beings, right? And we go out and we start to really have a positive effect and impact on this planet. Thanks for touching my heart as always. Much love. Hope to be back again in the future to share my heart. Until then, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Hit the notification bell too to receive future updates on videos just like this one. And feel free to check out the amazing clips in the playlist that you'll see also on the screen, along with my website, mrpeace.org, to track my journey across this country, across this nation, as we continue to heal America's hearts, one school at a time. Peace.